Here we have a 69 plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak EcoBlue. Now this vehicle comes with the black exterior paintwork. We have the Raptor style front grille, the tinted headlights, and as a look at that front end, looking nice and aggressive. Round to the passenger side you'll find the wide arches. We do also have the 18-inch alloy wheels. Side steps running along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. You'll find the Wildtrak stickers along the bottom of the front doors. We do also have the privacy glass at the rear. Roof rails up top. We also have the rear canopy cover just here. Got the Raptor style stickers as well at the rear. Tinted tail lights, front and rear parking sensors, and a rear reversing camera. You'll also find the tow bar as well at the bottom. And then back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, I'll have a look inside of the back first. Inside of here you can see the leather seats with the orange stitching, foldable armrests and fixed ISO points as well, electric windows on the doors. Same leather seats for the front, got the Wildtrak logo embroidered on each one. Both front seats can be heated. There's a quick look at both of them. Driver's seat is also electrically adjustable. Got the grab handles just here, making it easier to get inside of the vehicle. Dashboard in front of us, the two digital screens either side. We've got the electric power folding mirrors. You'll also find the multifunctional steering wheel. Put my foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle turns on. Got the phone connectivity volume buttons here on the left. We also have the lane assist as well, just here on this stalk. Cruise control and speedometer on the right, and then on the dashboard you can see free from any warning lights. You'll also find the main infotainment screen here in the centre. Plenty of features on here, you would have seen all on the photos. It's currently showing the sat-nav. Further down from there you'll find the buttons for the climate control. Got the ice cold air conditioning, heated seats, heated windscreen as well, all working as it should do, as you can see just there. Two 12-volt connectivities, two USB ports. We have the automatic gearbox as well, which if you put it into reverse camera appears on the screen with the parking sensors in the top right. Back into parking, that is all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger Wildtrak EcoBlue. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as expected to. As you can see, I'm at the 5 steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel in front of us, which has the phone connectivity and also volume buttons here on the left. We do also have the cruise control and speedometer buttons on the right. Now we are coming up to a junction, so we're slowing down. Right indicator on now. And there's a few cars that are coming, so I'm just going to wait for these to go past. And then we're going to turn right. Now continue on our way, get up to speed nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. You can also change the gears manually with the buttons just here on the gear selector. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do also have plenty more features as well from the interior. Got the leather seats, for example, which are really comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out fresh. Both front seats being heated, perfect for them cold winter mornings. You'll also find the main infotainment screen just here in the centre. It's currently showing the sat-nav, but also has plenty more features on there. You'll have seen all on the photos. And just below there we have the buttons for the climate control. You'll also find the ice cold air conditioning, which is perfect for the hot summer days. Now we are going to take another right hand turn, so again, right indicator on. And we're going to slow down as we approach the turn. Make sure there's no cars coming, so it's safe to turn right. And again, turning right now, continuing on our way, getting up to speed, going through the gears nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. We also have the 2-wheel and 4-wheel high and low settings as well. And we are just approaching the dealership here. We're coming up to the bend, so we're taking it nice and steady as we come around the bend. Slow down, left indicator on, and then we're going to turn left onto the dealership. And I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2, and 1. Hold on to the brakes, into reverse, reverse camera appears on the screen, back into drive again with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with when someone inquires of you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.